तो बात है सेकेंड ईयर ऑफ माई बीटेक. आई हैड दिस ड्रीम ऑफ रोमिंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड लाइक अ बंजारा. आई डिडंट थिंक ऑफ एनी थिंग प्रैक्टिकली, लाइक पहले कोडिंग सीख लेता हूँ, फिर अच्छी सी नौकरी मिलेगी, फिर देन आई सेव अप सम bucks and then I travel the world. I don't think any of that, but I eventually ended up doing it. How? We'll see in this video. वीडियो के टाइटल में 3 चीज़ें हैं: ट्रैवलिंग, स्टडी अब्रॉड एंड नो मनी. फॉर मी ट्रैवलिंग हैपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ स्टडिंग अब्रॉड, बट द प्रॉब्लम वॉज आई हैड नो मनी. Actually, there were 2 problems. My mom, dad wasn't ready, neither for sending me abroad to study and neither for traveling. Though I made a video on how to travel like money practically, but फंडा तो वही है ना, पैसा होना चाहिए, जिगरा होना चाहिए, and your mom dad has to be ready. At least that was the thing for me, and that is still the thing for me. First thing is I didn't have any affection with money. In the second year, I had just this thought of traveling. पता नहीं क्या ही reason था. I guess the reason was the existential crisis, and I just felt that I can travel and somehow I can find the truth. Somehow I can find myself, and well, that is the thing. And I am definitely sure that movies have made me feel that. Movies have made everyone feel that, and I'm so glad it did. So eventually ये हुआ कैसे? How did I actually get to travel? It took me 2 years to convince my parents that it's okay for me to go out to study. 2 years, 2 साल. It's not a very less time, and it wasn't easy. But I knew if I cannot understand them, how can they actually understand me? तो हमने की research चालू. I found all the big consultancies that has advertised to actually send you abroad, and I went to every single one of them. But the thing is, the free countries that they were actually going to send you to, the countries like Germany, Sweden, Finland, China, Hong Kong, Japan, which has scholarships, they're gonna charge a hefty fees off me, because they cannot make money from the universities just like they do in Canada, US, New Zealand, which when you're going to these countries, they don't charge you, they charge the universities. But when you're actually going for the free universities, the सस्ती universities, तो वो तुमसे पैसा लेते हैं. But I did the research, I went to every one of them, I did all the things that I could do on the internet, then I talked to more of them. So it took me some time, but I did all the research that I could and didn't pay any money in the end. So that was nice. So this was decided. I'm gonna go to the countries which provide free education. और कुछ कंट्रीज़ में कुछ मिनिमल फीस लगता था, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा बहुत लोन ले लेंगे. थोड़ा बहुत ही मिल पाएगा क्योंकि कोलेट्रल लगता है, एंड कोलेट्रल मैं देना नहीं चाहता था ज़्यादा लोन के एवज में, बट थोड़ा लोन लेते हैं तो इट्स ओके टू नॉट टू गिव अ कोलेट्रल. सो दैट वाज आल्सो माय थिंग कि मुझे रिस्क लेना है, आई वांट टू गो आउट. आई न्यू माय इंटेंशंस, so I'm not gonna put something from parents on collateral, so that I have to do all of this exploring. So that was clear to me. Although मैं उस टाइम पे अपने दोस्त के साथ एक स्टार्टअप पे काम कर रहा था, हमारी मार्केटिंग एजेंसी थी, but we were not taking any money from the agency. So eventually I had to do a part-time job on weekends ताकि I can afford to pay fees like IELTS, some application fees, my travel expenses like normal to going and fro office there, here, all those expenses were covered through my part-time job. So eventually इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद I got couple of admissions letter, a couple from Germany, one was from China, and China was with like full scholarship. So I chose that. I went there, had great time, and because it was full scholarship with stipend, also I was earning enough to actually roam around the world. If you relate to anything that I've said, जैसे कि मैंने शुरू में एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस की बात करी, तो बहुत सारा घूमना है उसकी बात करी. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव मनी if you think your parents don't understand you. All those things have happened with a lot of people that I've met, and especially on the traveling journeys. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे मिले, like you know, we all have similar kind of problems, but I believe हमें you just have to do what you feel will give you the most amount of happiness, and you will figure out a way. That is what has been conveyed to me from a lot of stories, and through these content, I'm grateful that I can capture a couple of them. Had a discussion with BU Nick today, and he was conveying the same thing. Had a discussion with Waqas Hassan, who is traveling around the world, and I had a chance to talk to him for like more than 1 hour. It was a beautiful conversation. If you really want to learn some practical stuff, how he also did it, and he was also teaching a lot of people on how to do it. So the link is in the I button. I hope it's here or here, somewhere. And please watch that video. It's a little bit longer than usual, but I believe it's gonna give you a lot of value as well. And don't worry, anything is just fine. Just aim for the stuff, have patience, and keep doing the work. That's just super lame. बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा. See you in the next video. Bye.